Radiation dose dynamics, analyzing activity-linked levels in the Nuclear Medicine Unit at Mulgo National Referral and Teaching Hospital. By Peter Opio, Akisofel Kisolo and Zerida Muinda. The present study reports a survey of the radiation dose levels. Radiation dose levels versus the activity used in the different working areas of the Nuclear Medicine Unit of Mulgo Hospital while using 99 MTC as the main radionuclide. The radiation dose levels in nuclear medicine workplaces have garnered significant attention from researchers. An extensive survey was conducted to compare radiation doses with the activities performed in the working areas of the Nuclear Medicine Unit at Mulgo National Referral and Teaching Hospital. This survey utilized to LiFTLD 100 dosimeter badges, calibrated alongside a standard 90 strontium radiation source. The mean monthly effective radiation dose levels varied from 0.09 plus or minus 0.05 msv month in the staff room to 1.23 plus or minus 0.05 msv month in the waste collection room. Similarly, annual effective radiation dose levels ranged from 1.03 msv year to 14.77 msv year in the staff room and waste collection room, respectively. Statistical analysis using MATLAB revealed a power distribution pattern between monthly radiation dose levels and activity. The hot laboratory and the waste collection storage rooms had the highest radiation dose levels. The waste collection room radiation dose levels are higher than those of the hot laboratory because the room contained wastes from day 1 of the working week of the unit up to the last day when the wastes were being taken away for discharge. The measured radiation dose levels were found to be within the safety limits recommended by international agencies such as the International Commission on Radiological Protection, ICRP, and the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA. The monthly radiation dose levels in the working areas depended on the monthly activity used and are far well below the established IAEA and ICRP standards. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.